everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is BOHO, and this is my first video. I am kicking off a kitchen makeover, and it is going to be a fun ride. So stay tuned to see what happens next. How do you feel about the table leaving finally? I wasn't recording at all.
Amazing.
We are selling our table. We've got a buyer for almost the full price, but I think we had this table for 3 years.
Something like that.
So I didn't really plan for this makeover all the way through, and I definitely did not take a lot of before footage. So this is pretty much all I have of the before footage, unfortunately.
I mean, really, the same old thing is
They got our paint, and we are getting. Not interesting enough, we found a cat at Lowe's. Yes, it's a whole little kitten. Hey, kitty. Did you live in here? Did you live in here? Layer off the table, and it's brought out like all this character in the wood, and that's what I want. So I like it a lot better than when I first got the table, and it was just shiny and kind of orange yellowy or a bear thing. I don't know what was on there, but gotta get all the nooks and crannies. I did mess up a little bit. My blade is probably getting weak again, but hopefully when I sand it, this will look more smooth, and if not, then oh well, it'll add character. It's hard to get the bottom, and
it's almost done now. I mean, you're probably not completed, but I'm pretty sure he's. Not going anywhere.
Here, this thing is literally hanging on by that screw and this bracket. Okay, wait, stop. You come with this. This one gotta come down. This is sitting by the skin of his teeth. Push the bottom of that drawer, that one up. Yeah. I just had to believe myself.
Can you please get down and help me?
Squat down, stop. Squat down. You gotta let it get. Look, squat.
No, it's not just freaking squatting down.
Here. Alright, this is editing Bonet here, and man, every time I watch that last clip, I cannot contain my laughter. But yeah, I had to basically clone myself because, well, let's say my DIY partner had a slight concussion after that last bit. So here's a bit of insight into the process of how I covered the cabinets. Pretty much just use contact paper. There's like 100 tutorials on YouTube of this already, so I won't bore you with another one. And it's been almost a year since I actually did these cabinets and finished this video. About doing a video to give an update on how the contact paper has held up, but it's been almost a year since I've had this contact paper up, and it actually held up pretty well. It's still up and I can wipe it off. It stays overall clean. I would recommend it. So yeah, I would definitely try this if you're looking for a quick way to update your cabinets. And yes, I did just slip. Here is my favorite part. I am finally to a point where I can start styling. So I have been collecting items from various thrift shop trips over the summer, and here is my collection of things. So you're going to see me just kind of moving things around quite often. I actually end up changing the final arrangement, so the way it is right now, it is not going to be in the video, but I found out what is functional and what is still aesthetically pleasing.
Because you're gonna speed this up, right?
Yeah.
And what if I just move super fast like this, and you also speed it up? This is gonna look super crazy. You know?